Good morning mga biyahero. We're here at Tanah Lot.
Dayon,
All sa Cholo
report
Lot.
naman to sa report naman lang daw.
Yes. We're here at Tanah Lot. Where?
Sige. Continue.
Foto langsung cetak di bawah. 1 minute.
Mga biyaheros, we have here mga co-host, no?
Co-host for
Si
today.
Biyaherong Armon, which is naka white polo, brown pants, and Habianas, yeah. And our, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Did you know that coconut can make you cry na?
Really?
Yes, we wanna.
Kumon ni siya mga biyahero, no? Naa siya, oh, the waves and the sea and the ocean and the people around spice up your life.
Oh, sige. Umutan na.
So this is around 45 minutes to 1 hour drive from central
Unsa ta unsa?
Plateau.
Ibutang.
How much? How much?
Nagpakit ang isa.
Murag abi na ang picture bang.
Sige, what can you say about the place? What can you say?
Speechless. I'm speechless.
Oh,
Charot.
so,
Walang gid ay basura.
data. Look at the waves, my friends. Yes. So you have friends from all over the world coming here. Okay. Wow. It's nice. Huh? So, ari diri. Nice kay view mga friends. See? Taking advantage of the time. The waves. So, pili yung takamalabang dito. Kaso lang, white shoes. No. So ilang waves gid diri, naturally this is strong, this is big.
Patay. Crash pa doon rin.
Biyahero na to, hili kayo mo ko bijuke ba? Naip, kani, kakita, sure ko kakita gin mo ni kantan nyo just once, no? kani, na siya mga background sa bijuke, kani siya, diba? Oh, familiar gino, mga biyahero? Natural color. Pag ganang na gagmay. Ako'y pa-engrave. Ignarin ko. Bye-bye. So, we have been all around the place. Diri sa Tanah Lot. Indot siya. No, daghan og mga temple. Ang mga view. Like that. So, if you happen to come to Bali, so make sure nga pilisin yung itinerary. Diba? With my co-host, murag gipang na sila.
Biyaherong Choy.
Murag gipang uhaw na sila. Kay init kayo. Yeah. Ice cream. He screams for ice cream. Oh. This has been Biyaherong Choy signing off from Tanah Lot.